Good afternoon, dear viewer. Let's have a look at the markets. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's see what alts are doing. Maybe take a look at a few of those. So, what we have seen so far, and starting from here, is some kind of a what I would call an impulsive move. And now the question is this move over, or is it going to, or have we already begun the second impulse up? So you could say this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could say that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's also possible. Now I'm still camping this place here for a sell. I hope we get there so that I can sell my Bitcoin and then buy back lower, and then we'll see, how far this goes, what kind of structure we will build, because, this could still be a Capo's bear trap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're done. That's still possible, but high probability this is not over. Yeah, and why I'm saying this is that alt's still a different story, I would say. So we'll come back to those a little bit later. So what I hope to see when I sell. So going back on lower time frames, so let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. My expectation is this. My expectation is that our wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I want to see it. Yeah? So here we had a little bit of consolidation. That's in this last wave structure. This is 1, 2, 3 consolidation, 4, 5, and then we should get some kind of a pullback. And I'll be really closely watching this pullback. Yeah? If it happens, of course. I'll be really closely watching this, because if it has a three-wave structure, then this is the place to buy. And then we go a lot higher, I would expect. So that's one scenario. Second scenario is after this move is completed, then we get a 5-wave move down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That completely invalidates this bullish scenario. I'll be watching it closely. If I don't see an impulse down, and let's say we're here, my expectation is my buys should be from here to the up to, let's say, round about this level. Yeah, sorry, this level here. So this is where I will stack my buys for another leg up, but I think this one is exhausted, to be honest. We need a pullback. Of course, it doesn't necessarily have to happen, yeah, but let's see. I hope it does. How would this look like on alts? So let's start with FTM. FTM on daily. It's easier to explain on daily. So what I understand is we have there's two possibilities. Yeah, either this was 1 to some kind of a 1 to some kind of a 3, then 4 and 5, and then 2 ways down for wave B of or 2, and then we are going for another wave up. Yeah. So either this is just a correction, A, B, C, or this is just the beginning of our impulse, or sorry, it's mid of our impulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. What really tells me it's probably not the middle of the impulse is that this wave 4 correction was pretty deep. I think it went till round about the golden pocket. Let's see. So yeah, it just tapped the golden pocket and then shoot up. So that tells me that this is probably the whole move up is an impulse. This is our correction to the impulse. Then we should get another one up. So I'll be closely watching this for a retrace, and I want to see a retrace of at least 50%. So if we stop somewhere around here, let's go down on the 4-hour. So we need to at least take out this high here and then go up and then retrace. So let's assume the end of our wave, the end of our wave. And now I'm looking for this little button here. There we go. Is here. Then I'm looking for a retrace to at least here. And here's my entries. And what I would expect from this is that we get at least a wave that is of the same length as this one. So if I just copy paste it, I would expect that we reach at least $1.25. So that would give us quite a good return on our investment. So let's say this is our buy zone. Average is here. Then we have our stop loss be beneath the impulse, and then we go to round about, what was it, 125? That's a 7-to-1 risk reward. Very, very good risk reward. I'll be definitely buying this. So I'm waiting for an impulse, for a retrace here. And on the retrace, I'm buying with a big stop loss. Just bear in mind, this is a 28% stop loss. But it doesn't matter where your stop loss is as long as your risk to reward is good. Let's see, flow. Flow. Exact same procedure. So we copy the length of this wave. We should go to around about 180, or 185. I'm waiting for this structure to break to the downside and at least tap these lows here. Yeah, so let's say our retrace is going to be 50%. It's going to be, oh God, on this level. Yeah, so a retrace to this area would be a buy. So my buys are going to be here. And then what I'm expecting is another wave up. And this wave should give us long position somewhere, let's say our average entry somewhere around about here. Stop loss is here. Again, 16% of stop loss. That's a 5.5 to 1 risk to reward. Sorry. And the last one, same procedure, GRT. I don't know why there are these candles loading so slow. So GRT, boom, copy paste it. I'm on logarithmic scale, so these might not look the same length, but trust me, they are. And here we should get a retrace soon to round about this area here. And let's see. Average entry is somewhere here. Our stop loss is 25%. So be careful with risk. 10 to 1. Yeah. I still expect a second wave on alt. What confirms it to me is this structure here looks like a triangle, which means this is a wave B of a correction. So A, B, C. There is no impulse down. This is just a correction. Now we got our first impulse of the third wave. So first impulse, then we should get a correction, and then we should shoot up like crazy. So this to me is the best risk to reward we can get at the moment. So I'll be for sure comping those alts. I think BTC will pull back as well very soon. You see, so still this is almost the top of the impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we should get a retrace to round about 24,000, somewhere around here. And then we should get a strong wave up if this really is our wave C or 3. So A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see. We never know. Yeah. So, but at least we should get another impulse up. So my opinion is we correct from here. We get a pullback to around about 24,000, and then we shoot up. Same with the alts. So I'll be confidently walking into these trades, probably buying spots so that I don't have to care about scam wicks, putting my stop loss under the impulse, waiting for another one up. That should be an easy trade. That's it I have for today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a very, very good day. So long. Bye-bye.